Is we fuck when we leave the club or not? I ain't spending cash for nothing, I wanna see you take it off. I'ma pop this bottle, you gon' give me brain or not?
Do you like the way I flick my tongue or no? You can ride my face until you're dripping cold. Can you lick the tip then throw the dick or no? Can you let me stretch that pussy out or no? I'm not the type to call you back tomorrow, but the way you wrapping around me is a problem. Ain't nobody tryna save ya, baby, get that paper. Probably got a lot of other bitches owe you favors. So good, had to save that for later. Took her to the kitchen, fucked her right there on the table. She reppin' XO to the death. I'm tryna make these bitches wet. I'm tryna keep that wet. I'm tryna fuck her and her friends. I'm
You gon' run it for these hundreds, girl, or no? Show me is you really bout your money, girl, or no? Don't play with a boss, girl, take it all. Target for a real one, you gon' get it all. Is it really about your money or not? Can you really take it or not? Can I bring another bitch or not? Is you with this shit